The ProPILOT Assist system is a hands-on driver assistance system that provides limited lane keeping, throttle, and brake control assistance for the driver. It is not a self-driving system. It uses an enhanced version of Intelligent Cruise Control, or ICC system, along with a steering assist system to help maintain both distance from preceding vehicles and vehicle lane centering. The steering assist system uses a multi-sensing camera unit installed behind the windshield to monitor the lane markers. If clear, consistent lane markers are present, the steering assist provides small steering corrections to help keep your vehicle near the center of the lane while driving. Steering assist can activate at speeds above approximately 37 miles per hour if there are no vehicles detected ahead. In traffic with a preceding vehicle, steering assist will work down to a stop. When in operation, the steering assist indicator, the steering assist display, and the lane marker indicator on the vehicle information display turn green and a chime will sound when it initially activates. When deactivated, these indicators turn gray and a chime sounds twice. The Intelligent Lane Intervention, or ILI system, will also be active while using the steering assist system. If the steering assist system cannot maintain the lane and begins to cross over the lane markers, the ILI will provide an audible warning and the lane markers on the visual display will turn yellow and flash. The system will also momentarily apply the brakes to help the driver return the vehicle to the traveling lane. The enhanced version of ICC uses a radar sensor to monitor the speed of and distance to the vehicle in front of you. If the radar sensor detects a slower moving vehicle ahead, the system will reduce the vehicle speed. ICC operates when the vehicle set speed is approximately 20 miles per hour and above. If your vehicle comes closer to the vehicle ahead due to rapid deceleration of that vehicle, the system warns the driver with a chime, and the vehicle ahead detection indicator flashes. Decelerate by depressing the brake pedal to maintain a safe vehicle distance. When the vehicle ahead slows to a stop, your vehicle will decelerate to a standstill. Once your vehicle stops, the ICC system will keep the vehicle stopped. If your vehicle is stopped for less than 3 seconds and the vehicle ahead begins to move, your vehicle will start moving again automatically. If you were stopped for more than 3 seconds, you can press the resume switch or lightly depress the accelerator pedal to resume system operation and begin moving. To turn the ProPILOT Assist system on, push the ProPILOT Assist switch. First, a temporary pop-up will display the status of several driver assisting technologies, and then the status of the ProPILOT Assist system will appear. Now, accelerate or decelerate your vehicle to the desired speed. Push the set switch and release it. The ProPILOT Assist activation indicator and ProPILOT Assist status indicator illuminate. Steering assist will continue to operate if the wipers are set to the intermittent or missed position and clear lane markers can be detected. If the wiper switch is placed in the low or high speed position, the steering assist system will be canceled. If this occurs, push the cancel switch, then the resume switch to resume operation. While active, the ProPILOT Assist system monitors the steering wheel to confirm the driver has at least one hand on the wheel. If no hands are detected, the no hand on wheel sequence will begin. First, this visual warning will be displayed in the vehicle information display. Next, this visual warning will flash, along with a series of escalating audible alerts, followed by a brake pulsation. If no steering input is still detected, an emergency audible alert will sound and the vehicle will slowly be brought to a stop in the traveling lane. If steering input is detected during any of these warnings, the no hands on wheel sequence will be canceled and the ProPILOT Assist will resume. If the ProPILOT Assist system malfunctions, it will be turned off automatically. A chime will sound and a warning will appear in the vehicle information display. When a warning light comes on, stop the vehicle in a safe place, turn the engine off, and restart the engine. If the warning continues to illuminate, there may be a malfunction. Although normal driving can be continued, the system should be inspected. It is recommended that you visit a Nissan dealer for service. Using this switch located on the instrument panel, you can turn the steering assist on and off. To enable or disable the steering assist, press the right or left arrow button until settings displays. Press the up or down arrow button to highlight driver assistance. Press the OK button to select. Select driving aids. Press the OK button. Select steering assist. And then press the OK button to toggle the system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.